This is third video dedicated to commands, and in this video we're going to talk about system commands. In order to get to the manual, we go into materials in English, basic functions, system tools, list of bots system commands. As you can see from the definition, bot system commands are commands that are not belong to any individual function. They work at the level of the bot itself and refer to its functionality, properties or settings. Like any other commands, they are sent directly to the chat with the bot, and in general the command consists of name, parameters and arguments. That means that that command can contain additional parameters such as Telegram ID or user code, as well as arguments such as text or numbers. If you haven't done so before, you can learn more about commands and how to use them in the guide on commands. You can find the link in this document. First set of commands is commands of the head bot. It's a main bot of the menu builder project. And the first command of this set is advert_stat. This command will show you statistic of advertisement market. If you send any messages through advertisement market, you can find all available information by sending this command. Command me. This command will show the data of your account, such as a referral link of advertisement market, your ID or user code. Second set of commands, it's commands that are common for the head bot and the menu bot where you're creating your project. First command is a start. It helps you to restart your bot. Command lang in switches the interface to English. Other languages are available by pressing start. Command lang ru will help you to switch to Russian language. And the last command of this set is stop mail. This command will help you to stop the mailing if it was started in admin mailing. The third set is the commands of your menu bot. It's the bot where you're creating your project and where you are admin. First command is stat. It shows your bot statistics. The same one you can reach in admin statistics. Another command is show menu. This command will show you the structure of your bot's menu. Next one is show menu links. It's the same command, but the buttons' names will contain deep links. If you don't know what deep links, you can check it by the link in this manual. Next command is unban user ID. It will allow you to unban the user of your bot if he was banned in the forms or by using ban command, the one you purchased separately. Ref_parent user ID or user code. This command can show the referral parent's user code. You can use it in case you want to find out who is the referral parent of the particular user. Varname text. This command will help you to change the displayed name of the variable, the one you show in different system messages. Not all system messages of your bot can be customized, so this command will help you to adopt the name of the variable for the theme of your project. Mail delay time. This command helps you to set the gap between the messages in the mailing. You can use it if your bot getting tempo ban from Telegram more often than any other. Command home. This command is mostly used in inline buttons or actions, and it helps you to move your user to the main menu. Command extensions. It will return the list of extensions that are activated in your bot. Command tokens. It will show the cumulative statistics on the use of tokens in your bot since the last reset. Command reset tokens will reset the usage statistics. PM user ID text. This command allows you to send a private message to the specific user. This command consumes 1 token of messages. If you don't know what tokens of messages, you can check by the link. User info, user ID or user code. This command displays all available information on a particular user. This command consumes 5 tokens of functions. You can check what tokens of functions are by the link in this document. Ignore conditions. This command will enable or disable the checking of conditions for all buttons and for all admins of your bot. This command affects the entire bot, but not affecting your users. It is mostly used for the convenience of your admins when they creating the functionality, and it helps them to navigate through the menu. That is all about system commands. All abbreviations are listed at the bottom of the page.